Hey everyone, welcome back. If the TD app shows something went wrong error, this usually indicates a temporary app or server issue. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away and close it completely. Wait for a few seconds and reopen it. Then, head over to your app store, search for the TD Bank app and check for updates and install them if available. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. After that, you're going to restart your phone to clear background glitches. Then, log out of the app, log back in to refresh your session. If the error continues to appear, wait for a short time and try again later. Or contact TD support if the problem does not resolve, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.